If you woke up tomorrow with hundreds of millions of dollars in your bank account, what's the first thing you'd buy? Pro basketball players, particularly those in the NBA, face that reality every single day. These athletes rake in tens of millions of dollars per year just to set foot on the court. Throw in sponsorships, business ventures, investments, and endorsement deals, and those net worths skyrocket even further. And they are not afraid to splash that cash. From million-dollar mansions to solid gold accessories, record-breaking hypercars, and a few more, unique acquisitions. As you're about to see, ballers don't hold back. Michael Jordan, arguably the greatest NBA player of all time, officially became the first billionaire athlete back in 2015, and as of the onset of 2019, ranked in the top 5 wealthiest celebrities on the entire freaking planet. How much are we talking? $2.1 billion. Jordan made less than $100 million while a player in the NBA, but with exceptional business smarts, he's evolved his brand into an empire. And what does he do with all that cold hard cash? Well, he bought an $80 million yacht for starters. Check it out. It's jam-packed with opulence and style in every room. It's 230 feet long, boasts 8 luxury-filled cabins, a full bar and dining room, a damn sweet jacuzzi, a gym, and of course its main attraction, the full-sized basketball court. Yachts are never just a one-time expense, though. The expenses continue to rack up with every passing day as maintenance and staffing costs accumulate. It costs Michael roughly $840,000 a week to man the ship and maintain his lavish lifestyle out at sea. If there's any baller who's going to rival MJ's status as the greatest of all time, it's this guy, LeBron James. After moving from Cleveland to Miami and then back to Cleveland, the 2003 first overall draft pick most recently signed a 4-year contract with the Los Angeles Lakers worth an astounding $153,312,846. That's almost $40 million per year, miles ahead of the average NBA player's salary of $7.7 million. And it's helped skyrocket his personal wealth to $750 million. While LeBron splurges on all sorts of things, his real estate portfolio, worth well in excess of tens of millions of dollars, is truly remarkable. Of his 3 ultra-expensive mansions, LeBron's most recent property purchase came in December of 2017, when he signed on the dotted line for this stunning $23 million home in Los Angeles' upper-class area of Brentwood. It's 15,846 square feet, rocks a steam room, sauna, fully equipped gym, a massage room, plus a huge outdoor pool and a lush green lawn big enough to rival a football field. His other Brentwood home, which showcases 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, costs a whopping $21 million. His 7-acre mansion in Ohio, on the other hand, has 19 rooms in total. That includes a theater room and, most impressively, a barber shop. LeBron reportedly paid $2.1 million for it back in October of 2003, then made millions of bucks worth of improvements, more than quadrupling its value to over $9 million. Let's stay with LeBron for a moment, because after all, he was the highest paid athlete in the NBA for the 2019-2020 season. Each of his homes boast large garages, which he fills with, yup, you guessed it, top-of-the-line supercars. He's been spotted cruising around in an all-white Bentley Continental GT worth over $200K, a matte white customized Chevy Camaro, a Dodge Challenger, and not 1, not 2, but 3 Ferraris. Those include the F43 Spider, the F458 Spider, and the Ferrari 599, valued at over $300,000. The 3-time NBA champion also respects the classic car. In his collection sits a fully restored 1975 Chevy Impala convertible. The original price for the 4-door version in 1975 was $4,215, but you can guarantee that LeBron's is worth nearly 10 times that. And how could we forget the head-turning Lamborghini Aventador? The base price for a 2019 Aventador S Roadster is around $460K, but LeBron reportedly shelled out over $670,000 to have the car wrapped to match one of his lines of floral Nike shoes. That is one mighty car collection. If there's any basketball superstar whose car collection has a chance of rivaling LeBron's, it's that of the one and only Shaquille O'Neal. As of 2020, Shaquille O'Neal's net worth is roughly $400 million, making him one of the richest athletes in existence. It's considerably more than the world's elite soccer players. Lionel Messi is worth $127 million, and Cristiano Ronaldo is worth $109 million, less than 30% of Shaq's value. And yet, O'Neal's bank balance is only half of that of the notorious pro golfer Tiger Woods, whose wealth sits in at an estimated $800 million. Anyway, $400 million is still a pretty stuffed piggy bank, and Shaq has no qualms splurging every now and then, especially when it comes to wheels. The former NBA star has gone out and bought a Ford F-150 pickup and modified it with all the gizmos and gadgets you can imagine. With all the mods in place, the pickup has a worth of $124,150. He modified another F-150 with a Terminator theme and sold it off for $57,500. Then there's the Jeep Wrangler, the cherry red Cadillac Escalade, Superman logo and all, the modified Lamborghini Gallardo, the Ferrari 355 Spider, and a Porsche Panamera. There's plenty of legroom in the three-wheel Vanderhall Venice Roadster, but his pride and joy is certainly this four-seater Polaris Slingshot. Pretty snazzy, right? Allegedly, Shaq spends a whopping $23,000 a month on gas alone, according to Hot Cars. While the Washington Wizards point guard John Wall might not be worth a sliver of the other man mountains we've seen so far, with $40 million stuffed in his wallet, he's still got plenty of spending money. In order to make a good impression on his teammates, rather than take everyone out to dinner or splurge on a few bottles of wine, John Wall decided to buy solid gold Rolex watches for the entire roster. Yup, solid gold.
I was just kidding, it was really Rolex. Wow.
Back in 2017, after signing a $171 million contract extension, Wall shelled out for a total of 15 custom Rolexes, which reportedly set him back around $40,000 each. Why? Because it was the holiday season and John Wall was inundated with a spirit of giving. Between 2013 and 2015, while Derrick Rose was on the court for the Chicago Bulls, he earned $18,564. That's not per year or per match, that's per minute. Literally over $300 for every second he's on the court. Insane, right? These days, he's worth an impressive $85 million, a sizable chunk of which has gone towards his prized possession, his custom-made Bugatti Veyron supercar, which he purchased for $1.7 million. Make no mistake, this machine is quick. The Veyron Super Sport version broke a top speed record back in 2010 when it maxed out at a hair-raising 268 miles per hour. Of course, Derrick would need to be far, far away from the streets of Chicago to test that out for himself. In the past, he has signed for a Lamborghini Countach, Maserati Gran Turismo, and a 2016 Bentley Continental. But his pride and joy is undoubtedly the lightning-fast Veyron. Now, besides fast cars and sprawling mansions, if there's anything that you'd expect basketball players to buy like there's no tomorrow, what would it be? Yup, sneakers. From Air Jordans to LeBron's Nikes and Steph Curry's Under Armour collection, NBA stars are scrutinized and praised for their choice of footwear, often as a result of multi-million-dollar endorsement deals. Well, none of those sneakers even comes close to Dwayne Wade's most expensive shoe. The Li Ning Dwayne Wade sneakers, dubbed the Fire Monkey, feature diamonds, sapphires, and 18-karat gold, and they're meant to commemorate the Chinese New Year. So how much are we talking? A few thousand? Maybe 10 grand? Nope, not even close. Try $4 million. Yep, you heard that right. In the grand scheme of things, it's pennies on the dollar, because the superstar's total net worth sits at $170 million. Throw Gabrielle Union's $20 million into the frame, and you get one seriously wealthy family. As the LA Lakers' decorated center, Dwight Howard is an 8-time All-Star, 8-time All-NBA Team honoree, 5-time All-Defensive Team member, and 3-time Defensive Player of the Year. But what's most surprising is that he's also an avid reptile enthusiast. After reporting his distaste for a news reporter's snakeskin boots following a match against the Detroit Pistons, Howard decided to share how he spends a slice of his $140 million. He revealed himself to be the proud owner of over 25 exotic snakes, some of which are named She-Hulk, Godzilla, Mickey, and Minnie. The combination snake and fish tank that he installed would cost the average person between $50,000 and $60,000. And that doesn't even take into account the cost of the rare animals themselves. Clearly a lover of all things nature, Dwight also bought a 700-acre farm in North Georgia, where he relaxes with the cows, hogs, turkeys, and deer. As we swivel our spotlight from the Lakers to the Warriors up at Golden Gate, Stephen Curry hasn't held back with a little bit of spending of his own. The two-time NBA MVP sat 9th on Forbes' list of the world's highest-paid athletes of 2019, boasting a current net worth estimated to be $130 million. So Steph can afford to strut around in $2,000 Emporio Armani suits and a $57,000 Cartier Santos skeleton wrist piece. His garage is chock full of luxury, highlighted by a Mercedes-Benz G55 worth $123,000, a Porsche 911 GT3 RS worth $176,000, a Tesla Model X 90D worth $93,000, and a Range Rover Sport LWB worth upwards of $200K. Where Curry's portfolio really shines, however, is in the real estate department. The priciest purchase is his mansion in Alamo, California, which is right over here. Across its 10,000-plus square footage, the home offers 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a Finnish-style sauna, 5 fireplaces, a billiard room, and a stunning outdoor pool. There is, of course, one highly famous athlete, a basketball legend through and through, whose name we have saved for last. The late, great Kobe Bryant, whose sudden passing was heartbreaking and tragic. Kobe was regularly spoken of as one of the nicest people in the industry, regularly donating slices of his $600 million net worth to charities. He leaves behind a remarkable legacy and a hefty estate that includes a $9.5 million Pelican Crest mega mansion, $4 million wedding rings, a $7.5 million Newport Coast estate, and venture capital firm Kobe Incorporated, which now holds more than $2 billion in assets. We'll miss you, Kobe. Who's your favorite basketball player? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for checking out The Richest. See you next time and have a great day.